Okay, hello everyone. Good day. I hope everyone having a wonderful day. Today we're gonna look into Ollama connected to Eliza. Last time we connected Ollama, connected WSL with Eliza. Today we're gonna connect Ollama and WSL and Eliza together. So it's gonna be a little bit tricky. But before we start, let's talk about Ollama. I think everyone knows what's WSL, just Windows subsystem for Linux, which is just Linux in your Windows. But for Ollama is just Meta. It's made by Meta. It's kind of like an engine to run your LLM model. Some people say it like an iOS in the future, but if you want to have any kind of model, you can just use Ollama to get multiple type of model. This one is run locally, so it's pretty important to look for small model. The installation is pretty simple. Just download from here and you'll be able to find it in your icon here. They actually made an update. You can see here Ollama 0.505. We're gonna try Small Thinker. It just came out pretty recently, like today. Small Thinker is good for reasoning. We need some good model that do reasoning. So let's just type Small Thinker. Hopefully I can type Small Thinker, yeah. It's 3 billion parameters. It's pretty good to run with Eliza because it's reasoning. We need something good to do with reasoning. Now we want to run this one. Just let's open our PowerShell. Type PowerShell here and type Ollama. Now you can see all the command like create, show, run, stop, push, help, version. Let's type Ollama version. You can see we are running 0.5. Let's delete this one. Let's clear this one. Now let's download Small Thinker. Just copy this one. Paste it over here. You can see it takes you a little bit of time to download it, but for me, I already have it in my system. So let's just talk to him. Who are you? So you tell you I am assistant, maybe Alibaba. I'm here to help you with question. Okay, this is another one. Let's ask him again. Give you a different answer. You can see made by Alibaba, here to help you with question and stuff. Feel free to ask. Let's just type by because we already have it. We already understand. Now we want to run this Ollama in our Eliza, which is the tricky part in our WSL. So open your terminal, or maybe type your terminal, or CMD, command prompt, or just anything will be fine. Go here in this arrow, just type, go into your Ubuntu. Okay, it's not okay. Now we are running our Linux Windows subsystem. Now you could just do sudo update just to check everything all right. Technology is on this and everything seems like fine. Now, unless you can see you have Eliza type code. Eliza to open it from using VS Code. If you do not have VS Code, okay. Eliza. Okay, I made a mistake with spelling. Code Eliza. There we go. It's open our Eliza using the Windows subsystem. Do not save. If you have problem with, just go download VS Code. You need to have VS Code, pretty important. There we go. If you just did your code, just get this one, pretty important. You are using the one with our Windows machine. We are not downloading this one in our WSL. Just keep that in mind. So now here the tricky part. If you go into environment example, use the environment on the top, but I do not want to show it because it has my information. I don't want to show it in the internet. So just go environment here, but I'm gonna use the example one to show you. Okay, Control F and Ollama. There we go. You can see Ollama here, and gonna try to configure this information. Okay, for small, medium, large Ollama, actually you don't need this one. You can just delete them. You can delete them. But for me, I'm gonna keep it because it's the example one. Okay, and model, Ollama model, just copy small thinker. Copy small thinker. Just go back and put it over here. Okay, for the URL, we're gonna use, we're gonna try to use HTTP. Set up HTTP. Probably need. Okay, just type HTTP and just type 1.9.68. And here you're gonna need to type your local IP. It's not the global one IP, it's the local IP. You can find this one if you type IP configure in your PowerShell. I can't really show you all the my IP. It's kind of scary, so I'm not gonna click enter. But you're gonna find it in IP v4. Just copy this one. It should start with 192.168 and something maybe like 200, maybe 105, 102, then point something. Then just put 1434. This is the port number we're gonna use for. This is the default port number for Ollama. So make sure it's 11434. This should be different from what I have from here. So make sure you use what you have and just IP configure and find it there. So yeah, I'm not sure. I tried to find a way to show you, but it's kind of like out of headache. Okay, I'm gonna delete this one because I no longer need them. Okay. I don't need this. Let's go. I don't need to clear everything. Small thinker, just to keep example safe. Now go your character, for example, Tate. I already made a copy, so I do not show you my information. Okay, so for here, model provider, make sure you have Ollama here. Okay, and for my client, I already tried to use my Discord, so I made the bot already. So through alpha, just Tate one. You could just write Discord and put your application ID and token ID. I'll probably make a video about Discord plugin and Telegram plugin later on. But you can talk to him. It's not, doesn't matter. You don't need to have Discord and Telegram. Make sure you have model provider to have Ollama here. That's what's pretty important. Okay, I think we are ready to go. Let's just open the server for Ollama before we start. So make sure you exit from Ollama. Let me show you. If I type Ollama start, let's just take here. So we want to start the server for Ollama. So if you type Ollama start, you can see I cannot access to the port 11434 because I already have it running on my machine. So just exit, quit Ollama. I'll just clear this one and type Ollama start. There we go. Now it's starting. You can see, hopefully it doesn't show any kind of information. You can see I'm running my NVIDIA. It's 1650. It's not pretty strong, quite weak, but we should be fine. You can see I'm running with Coda, so everything is looking pretty cool. Leave this one running, and let's try to go back into our WSL. Let's clear this and type cd Eliza. Now we are in Eliza. You can see all Eliza here. We can BNB update just to check everything all right. Let's just so we do not have any kind of problem. Just do BNB update. This should take a little bit of time. I'll just pause it and come back. Okay, we got now BNB updated. Let's do BNB. We could do BNB install, but we don't need just do BNB build. We might have done BNB install. Might be better. I think there's some packages update 10. And we're gonna leave this one. We'll come back later. I think if we have done BNB install in BNB build, I think that's the right method. But I don't think it's matter because we already have it installed before. But if you're the first time running, make sure you run install then build. I don't know. Anyway, let's start with the character. So we need BNB start character. I actually like to always copy it from here. So BNB starts, because sometimes you miss a few things. It's quite annoying. So character, just type it. That would be fine. So BNB start character. You can get it from the quick starts here. ElizaOS GitHub quick starts. If you're wondering, let's hope nothing go wrong. Yeah. Also, the recording does not die because I'm so much running on my machine. Okay, now loaded in environment 1, which is what we want. Okay, it seems everything working fine. Wonderful. It finds our Discord. Okay, now let's just go back into our Discord and typing Tate. Oh, please do not be crazy. Okay, let's now bring. Okay, let's now bring Tate to there. Go back. Okay, now Ollama. Oh, okay, we find problem. We found problem with the API. Okay, request to 300 type. Okay, we have any problem with our API. Let me configure this. I think it's with them HTTP. I might have put it in the wrong number. And let me stop this and I'll try to change it. Actually, I found a problem. I forgot to click save. I need to click save all. It's a silly problem, but it's always come back. And I'll start again. Okay. Oh, okay. Yep, see everything fine. Discord is fine. Let's bring this one here again. There. Yep, it's typing. As you can see, guys, it's working pretty slick. It's gonna take time because my machine quite weak. Also, I'm running so many things recording, so it's take a little bit of time. Let's go back and check. Okay. Yeah. Also, small thing can take a bit of time. Come on. We can actually run it in Telegram also. We can run it in Telegram. But Telegram, I found a bit of problem with it. Okay. You there. Yeah, I think this one's quite slow for me. Okay, this is the Ollama thing. You can see. Requesting. Okay, let's try back here. Ollama. Unmute room. Yep. Tate, please refrain from making threaten and the correct comment. It's same guys working. Let's see. I am boss here. The Telegram one is kind of bad. Or maybe you need to wait. can see it's fine. Discord, but Telegrams. Yeah. No action found. Remained user for goal. This is the Telegram. Hey there, user. It seems like you're trying to waste my time with your nonsense. Let me tell you something. Okay, you can see it's crazy Tate. I actually added one of my group, but you can see it take a bit of time. It's kind of the problem here. Sometimes we should have stronger PC, but yeah, I think that's it. I hope you enjoyed this one. We'll see you on another one. Bye.